Loki alone?
He was doing his job.
He was out of it. You should have waited. You should have...
Sometimes there isn't a way out, Tony.
Right.
Is this the first time you lost a soldier?
Were you